A separate hospital issue, your office launched an investigation into the troubled Eleanor Slater Hospital system, which has been in the spotlight over questions on patient discharges and bookkeeping. When should we expect the conclusion of your investigation?
You know, Tim, I really can't say. I mean, I think, when you're looking at, as we are, sort of individual outcomes for patients, it takes time to understand per patient what happened. And what the outcome was, or what the outcome might be down the road. So I can't really give you a timeline. Again, it's more important for me to get it right and to make sure we fully understand the scope of the issues out there. And look, there's a lot that goes into the Eleanor Slater Hospital in terms of potential issues. So we're still a long way, I think, from fully sorting that out.
Can you rule out criminal liability?
Oh, look, I don't really want to get into whether it would be or not. I think one of the problems, Tim, is this: that as soon as I go where you'd like me to go, I think there's a reaction that would not be responsible for me to kind of put out there. Look, we're getting the information, we're going to analyze it. If it falls within a criminal case, obviously we would bring one. If it's a civil matter, we'll bring one. If it's a position, and sometimes we end up there, like in the issue of the vaccines with the hospitals back in January. If we get to a place where advocacy is what's necessary, we'll land there. But it's too early to tell exactly where that's going.
Last question on this, sorry. Eli Sherman told me that the hospital uses a paper-based records keeping system, and some patients have been there, I don't need to tell you, for decades. Has the way they keep their records been a challenge for your office in doing your review?
Well, look, let me just say this. Again, we're looking at each individual patient that may require, frankly, review or attention from our office. And certainly understanding the background of that patient and understanding the circumstances, however they were treated at Eleanor Slater, is really important to us. So look, I don't want to get in a situation where I'm saying, the way they operated was, at this point, the way they operated was beneficial or not. But I will say this: obviously, relying on paper records in this day and age is more of a challenge than if you're relying on electronic records, which is plainly where the industry's going.